Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks. Today we are talking about the plant of the week, which is Adenium obesum, otherwise known as the desert rose. This is another fantastic plant for our area. Now they do have some cold sensitivity, so in the wintertime you're going to want to protect them. But that's going to be easy because the best way to grow these is in containers. I do not recommend putting them in the ground. You could do that, but you would need to give them some significant cold protection if we have freezing, sub-freezing weather. Growing them in containers is the best way. Full sun all day long. They could take 24 hours of sun. They'll take the sunniest, the hottest conditions. What's really neat about these succulent plants is that they get a really fat, swollen trunk. The way that they branch is very interesting. People grow them as bonsai. We have them in multiple sizes. We carry these throughout most of the year. But this heat-loving plant is not only interesting because of the swollen trunk and the interesting branching patterns that it will grow, but they flower, and the flowers are very showy. I don't have any here at the garden center at the moment, but they come in a multitude of colors. I have a small collection at home. The colors range from whites to yellows to pinks to reds to bicolor, where there's multiple colors on one flower. I have a white one that's slightly fragrant if I'm out there at the right time of day. There's even some that take on the appearance of black. I have one called the Black Dragon, which the bud kind of starts black and then opens up to a deep red with some black around the tips. Very interesting. You can go down the rabbit hole of desert rose and never stop collecting if you're into collecting plants, because there's so many varieties. I will give you a little keyword search if you're interested. You could do Thai, as in Thailand, Thai hybrids. There's a lot of really interesting hybridizers of the desert rose in Asia, and there are a lot of mail order Thai hybrids that you can find online. But we do carry a lot of interesting varieties here at Earthworks. Again, an easy plant for a container, a tabletop, a nice little focal point somewhere. Over time, they're going to grow to a very modest but much larger size than this, and so you will have to bump up the container that they're in over time. But the space in between that, it can be several years, so there's no rush. If you guys have any questions, you just want to come check them out, see them here at Earthworks. We got plenty in stock. See you guys next time.